Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Hans Kitchen, the one and only original male cooking channel in Ghana and beyond. I mean beyond, guys. Today I'm super excited to bring to your doorstep another sumptuous and healthy food recipe. But guys, before that, please click on the subscribe button. Click on it to join this amazing family, guys. Today's recipe is grilled tilapia and banku and hot Ghana pepper. Let me hear you say banku. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get it started. So family, I will start by preparing my fish marinade. So I will start by blending my ginger, garlic, onion, green and red petite belle pepper. Instead of using water, I will be using vegetable oil for the blending of the ingredients. So guys, I'll bring it to a blend. So I will be adding my pinch of salt at this point in time, then blend it for the last time. So this is my fish marinade, as you can see on your screen. I will then put it aside and prepare my grilling pan. So guys, I will line in my grilling pan with aluminium foil, as you can see on your screen. So guys, the relevance of this method is to prevent the fish drains from drying on the pan, so that it can allow easy washing of the grill pan. So guys, the next thing is to pat dry my tilapia fish. Pat dry it very well to take away any excess water from it. So guys, as you can see, my tilapia fish is well cleaned. As you can see, I did a cesarean section, guys. I cut every part of the fish to bring out any dirty part of the fish. So guys, what I'm doing at this point in time is called incision. So I'm cutting through the fish a little bit deep into the fish to allow the marinade to enter every part of the fish. So when I'm enjoying my tilapia, guys, I'm going to go to cloud 9, guys. So that's the relevance or essence of the incision, to allow the marinade to enter almost every part of the fish for a delicious tilapia recipe, guys. So I'm done with it. The next thing is to spread good amount of salt on my fish. I will massage the tilapia fish with my hands to allow the salt to enter every part of the fish. Turn it, and guys, repeat the process. The next thing is to spread my all natural spice blend on my fish. I will massage with my hands properly as well. So guys, you can get this recipe on my YouTube channel. So I will drop the link up below, so you can check it on my page and prepare this for yourself and have a delicious recipe, guys. So I'll be massaging the spice blend all over the fish for a good taste as well. Turn the fish upside down and repeat the process. Guys, please make sure that you spread the seasonings or marinade every part of the fish. Make sure it enters the head, every part, for a good taste. So at this point in time, I will be spreading my marinade, that is my blended garlic, ginger, onion, green and red petite belle pepper. I will be spreading it all over my fish for a good taste as well, as you can see on your screens. Hans Kitchen, Your diet is my headache. Aduane pa day. So after spreading my marinade all over my fish, at this point in time, I will be spraying good amounts of vegetable oil on my fish to allow it to grow beautifully, as you can see on your screens. Guys, isn't this appetizing already? Guys, I just can't wait. The aroma is killing me. So guys, it's going straight into the oven. But before that, please preheat your oven for about 15 to 20 good minutes before you transfer your fish into your oven. So guys, I will regulate my oven to 150 degrees to allow it to grill for about 10 minutes, and guys, I will be checking up on my fish after that. So guys, after grilling for 10 good minutes, as you can see, it's looking sumptuous already. So guys, I will be spreading the marinade all over my fish again and turn it upside down to allow the down part to also grill very well and beautifully. Tilapia fish can break easily, so guys, please, when turning your fish, please be careful to prevent it from breaking, else you wouldn't have a beautiful and an appetizing finishing. Guys, please take note of that. So guys, as I said earlier on, I'm going to enjoy this recipe with my banku, guys. So that's my banku in preparation, and that's my hot Ghana pepper. You can find all these recipes on my channel. Just visit my channel at Hans Kitchen, guys. You will find all these amazing recipes. So family, after grilling for some few more minutes, my tilapia fish is ready, guys. It's ready, as you can see. Isn't this appetizing? Oh my goodness, this is so sumptuous. The aroma is just killing me, Charlie. Hey, so guys, I'm going to serve myself, and guys, enjoy this on behalf of you. Yes, on behalf of you guys. So guys, at this point in time, if you think I deserve a thumbs up, guys, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. And guys, trust me, you will not regret it. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Please don't forget to share this video with a loved one. And please don't forget to click on the like button so I can bring you more of these sumptuous food recipes. Hans Kitchen. Your diet is my headache. Aduane pa day. See you with another video. Bye guys.